Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. With front and rear displays, 30% longer battery life, and a host of other new features, GoPro is out with the new Hero9 Black. We've been testing it for a couple of weeks, and the results you get from a new sensor capable of 5K video and 20 megapixel photos are just amazing. There's a new Max Lens Mod accessory as well, and while the camera is priced at about $450, a one-year subscription to GoPro, which gives you unlimited cloud storage and other benefits, will knock $100 off the price. GoProVP Rick Loughery says the video frame-grabbing capability is special too.
When you're shooting in 5K, you can pull a frame grab at 14.7 megapixels, which is an amazing quality photo.
The Hero9 Black ships with a quality travel case and none of the plastic. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.